Dr. Nancy Rauseo explains the value of using a customer relationship management system. Meet Mia, Sebastian, and Sarah. They work for XYZ Corporation and are in charge of buying new hardware to streamline their company's processes. George, a sales rep for an up-and-coming tech company, feels he has the perfect equipment for his potential clients. Before ever meeting with Mia and her team, George spent some time collecting valuable information. He already has a list of XYZ's key contact personnel and information on XYZ's history, financials, and products. George gets to know his future client. On top of that, George visited XYZ's website and its social media websites. He also made calls to obtain more information, which he entered into his Customer Relationship Management or CRM cloud-based application. Mia and her team agree to meet with George to see what he has to offer XYZ. Luckily, George came prepared. Using the information from his CRM system, he has an organized list of questions that he will ask to identify the company's needs. After a successful meeting, George updates the lead in the CRM system. XYZ is now a qualified lead. The installation team at his company already received a notification that a qualified lead is being pursued. George, along with his company's marketing department, identifies some possible solutions for Mia and her team. Now that both parties are interested, Mia, Sebastian, and Sarah agree to invite George back for a follow-up meeting. Meanwhile, George is documenting the summaries and highlights of their meetings and conversations in his CRM system. George's installation team is automatically notified of any changes to the prospective sale through the CRM system. Before making their final decision, Mia and her team have some specific questions about George's company and their procedures. George refers their questions to his subject matter experts, who have already been selected using the information in the CRM system. Thanks to the detailed information in that system, the experts are well prepared for the client. They also update XYZ's customer profile in the CRM system. After some productive meetings, Mia's company decides to purchase George's services. He already has the contract ready. Once George updates the status of his new customer in the CRM system, it notifies all interested parties, including the installation team. By using the CRM system, all members of the team are well prepared for this job. The CRM system also helps them provide 24/7 customer service and training. As time progresses, different users from Mia's company interact with various departments within George's company to obtain information, troubleshoot, and create solutions. These interactions can be phone calls, website inquiries, or emails, and are always handled immediately and updated in the CRM system. Mia's entire company is thrilled with the amazing customer service they've received. George also keeps in touch just to be sure that his client is happy with their services. Using the CRM system, George anticipates the future needs of his client through CRM and business intelligence. He is able to predict and offer timely solutions and put processes in place to avoid future problems. Meanwhile, George's marketing and sales teams are able to design new services that benefit Mia and her company. CRM facilitates a win-win relationship.